Dear students, this video is for exercise 8.2. In the first question, we have to write the given measurements in centimeter in meter. We have to change the values in centimeter to meter. We all know that centimeter is 100 times smaller than meter. So in order to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100 is equal to 385 upon 100 meter is equal to 3.85 meter. In the same way, we can solve the other questions. In the next part, the given number is 2856. We have to divide by 100 and write the unit meter. When we divide, the decimal is here. It will go two places towards left. 28.56 meter. In the third part, we have 28 centimeter is equal to 28 upon 100. So it will be 0.28 meter. And in the last part, we have 6459 upon 100. Now this quantity is in meter. 64.59 meter. So the first question is over. We proceed to the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, we have to write the given measurements in kilometer using decimal notation. Question 2a. 6357 meter is equal to 6357 upon 1000. एक मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें 1000 से डिवाइड करना होगा, क्योंकि किलोमीटर मीटर से 1000 टाइम बड़ा होता है और डेसिमल 3 प्लेस शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. द आंसर विल बी 6.357 किलोमीटर. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट बी इज 249 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 249 अपॉन 1000. The unit will be kilometer is equal to 0.249 kilometer. C 65 meter is equal to 65 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.065 kilometer. And the last part D is 8 meter is equal to 8 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.008 kilometer. So this is question number 2. We have solved all the parts. Now we start or proceed to question number 3. Question 3a is also similar to question number 2. 3a, the first part is 459 meter, and we have to convert it into kilometer and write in decimal form. Okay. 459 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.459. डेसिमल को हमेशा नीचे और छोटा लिखे. किलोमीटर डेसिमल के बाद के सभी डिजिट्स को इंडिपेंडेंट अलग अलग बोला जाता है. बी 2383 मीटर is equal to 2383 upon 1000. The unit is kilometer The answer will be 2.383 kilometer. The second last question is C part 65 meter is equal to 65 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.065 kilometer. And the last part is 7 meter is equal to 7 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.007 kilometer. This brings us to the end of this exercise. I hope you have understood it well. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Thank you very much.